Hello, folks. This is question practice exercise 24-3 in the textbook on page 1031. It says, write the structural formula of the 5-ethyl, 2,4,6-trimethyl octane. So I like working backwards on these. So in this case, I see it's an octane. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to do my 8 single bonded carbons first, and then I see I'm going to have to number them. So I'm just going to go left to right. So let's say I'm not going to put all the numbers in. Let's say this is 1, 2, 3. I'll make that 4, 5, 6, and I'll make that, let's go 6, just so. Might as well put all of them in, I guess. All right, there's 7, there's 8. All right, so now I've numbered them. Then I'm going to go trimethyl. Trimethyl means that we have 3 methyl groups. So a methyl group, I'm just going to write one up here. Methyl group is a carbon connected to something that's connected to a hydrogen, also connected to a hydrogen, also connected to a hydrogen. So the thing it's connected to is this long chain. So it's a 2, so I'm going to put, I'll make it red again. So there's a carbon connected to a hydrogen, and a hydrogen. I'm going to put it on carbon number 4. So there's a methyl group, hydrogen, 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 and then 6. Carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. And then finally, I'm going to get to my 5-ethyl. So there's my 5. Now an ethyl group is very similar to a methyl group, except it's got 1 extra carbon and therefore the 2 necessary hydrogens that go with it. So coming off of that one is a carbon. I'm going to just make a left-hand turn so I don't mess things up. Now it wouldn't normally be like that because that would be too close to number 4, but that is a methyl group right there. And it's coming off of carbon number 5. So I like working backwards. I like putting my longest chain in first, and then putting all of the functional groups in after that. So this is my 5-ethyl. So my 5-ethyl would be right there. It's on carbon number 5. I'd probably try to make this one looks almost like it's connected to 4, so maybe I'd move this one up next time if it had some more room. So just make sure you have your 2 carbons in a row. And then I have all 3 methyl groups down at the bottom right here. And I have my 8 chain of carbons, and they're all single bonded. So I hope that helps.